Hello all. Welcome to the series of solid principles. In this video, we are going to take deep dive on single responsibility principle. We learnt in last video that single responsibility principle wants classes to have one and only one responsibility. So, how do we ensure that the classes we create follows this principle? We can encourage the classes to have a single responsibility by increasing their cohesion and reducing coupling between them. Let's understand both of these terms with the help of some examples. Let's take a look at this wardrobe, which looks unsegregated. It has a wide variety of items like clothes, shoes, blankets, accessories, etc. You cannot really come up with a relation between all of the items in the wardrobe. Now, let's take a look after it gets segregated. The clothes are kept together at middle of the wardrobe, shoes are kept together at bottom region, the accessories are kept at the side and blankets are kept in the upper region. If you look at all the contents at a particular region, they now have a common relation. So, if we apply the definition of cohesion here, which says that cohesion is the degree to which various parts of a software component are related, we could say that the items of the unsegregated wardrobe are not closely related and have a low cohesion, and the items of each of the segregated region in the wardrobe are more closely related and have a high cohesion. Now, let's take a look at this class called number, whose responsibility is to perform mathematical operations like add, subtract, and multiply, and to display the results on the user interface as well as console. As you can see, this class has multiple responsibilities. So, what you can make of the methods inside this class, such that it follows single responsibility principle? If you take closer look, the methods like add, subtract, and multiply are solely for calculation purpose. Therefore, they are closely related and have high level of cohesion. Similarly, methods like display result on UI and display result on console are closely related. Therefore, there is also a high level of cohesion between these two methods as well. But, if you put all the methods in the class together, they have low level of cohesion. For example, add method and display result on console method are not closely related and serve different purpose altogether. One of the aspects of the single responsibility principle is that we should always aim for high cohesion within a component or a class. Therefore, let's break down the number class into two different classes. One class is called operation, which contains add, subtract, and multiply method, as they have high cohesion and have single purpose of performing calculation. Another class is called display, whose sole purpose is to display the result. Hence, it contains rest of the two display methods, having higher cohesion. As you can see, all the methods of both classes have now high cohesion and both have single responsibilities of calculating and displaying. Therefore, we can say that if there is high cohesion between all methods of a class, we can assign single responsibility to all the methods as a whole. So, we just saw how aiming for higher cohesion can help us move towards conforming to the single responsibility principle. That was all about the term cohesion. We will learn about second term called coupling in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more such content.